I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and I'm asking you to contribute to our crowdfunder. The campaign is already going really well. We're out there and we're winning more and more support every single day. Every penny that you give enables us to reach more people so that we can win this election. We need to win the election because we want to create the Wales in which we all want to live. A Wales where when somebody in your family falls ill, they're able to go and see a doctor and they're able to get the treatment they need and on time. A Wales where our children go to school, where the schools are properly funded. And also a Wales where the Welsh economy enables us to get those well-paid jobs, which at the minute don't exist in Wales. We've a lot to do, but the first thing we must do is convince the people of Wales that we need a Plaid Cymru-led government. Every penny you give will help us to do that. So play a role in the Cardiff West campaign, contribute to the crowdfunder, and let's go forward and let's win this election. Diolch yn fawr.